Welcome! In this tutorial, we will show you how to enable SmartForms on WordPress. Installation process is described in the Getting Started chapter of SmartForms documentation. First step is to install SmartForms plugin. Download smartforms.zip file. Open WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and select Add New option. Click Upload Plugin. Choose the file, and click Install Now button. On successful installation, activate the plugin. You will notice that a new item is added to the dashboard, SmartForms. When the site is connected to SmartForms service, this link will be used to access SmartForms Administration Console. Let's connect to the service. Navigate to Settings and select SmartForms option. When you select it for the first time, you will see Get Started with SmartForms screen. If you already have SmartForms account, click this link where you will be asked to enter the service credentials. If you don't have the account, enter your email address, choose the region closest to your users, and hit Activate My Service button. And that's it. After a few seconds, your service will be activated and you will be redirected to SmartForms Administration Console. The console is the place where you manage your forms, change look and feel, define profile settings, and get online help. You're now all set to start using SmartForms and create your first form. Please contact us if you need any help.